Hi, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and good night, boys and girls. This is Arzu Mountain Spirit, and you are listening to Mountain Spirit Speaks. Guess what? I'm here at the marijuana farm in Jamaica, and I'm here in preparation for the Mountain Spirit Wellness Retreat that we're going to be hosting here. So I'm going to be showing you more goodies. No, you won't be sleeping here. This is just a farm where you'll come and visit. I'll show you the other mature plants later. These are the more mature plants and the different varieties. Look at this. You're gonna have to come here and see for yourself.